Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at our 2018 position sheet, and we're going to go over a couple of these trades that we've taken in the last couple of months here at StockBookie.com. Please come down here though in the right hand bottom corner and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We've been doing a lot of live streams lately, guys, and they're all free. Come by, check us out, watch us for a week. If you like what we're doing, go back to StockBookie.com, sign up, guys. It's 30 bucks a month. 30 bucks a month. Come by, check out the live streams. And a lot of these trades, and I'll show some of these, we found on the live stream. So all the people following me, my members, everyone's throwing out trades, having a good time. Check us out. 30 bucks a month, guys. All right, so from this streak here, we had 54 trades, 46 winners, 7 losers, and 1 open position. The open position right now is the GLD. At 1183, we sold half at 1965. And we're going into like the 122 area right in there. I think it's holding that, so we're doing all right on the GLD, so that will most likely be another winner on that streak. So here's some we took lows, URBN, Nvidia, Twilio, Splunk, ANET. This was the older winning streak here, guys. Not that it's like a winning streak. I'm just saying, man, we've been killing it lately, guys. We've been putting out good trades on there, and with not a lot of losers. You know, we're gonna have losers, guys. That's just the way it is. But if we can have a winning streak like this, when we get into turmoil markets like we are, we could put some risk out there. So this trades was 54 on this one here. We went all the way to the Q's trade to about the 402. So from 403 now. I mean, look at this streak, guys. We just tore it up. 403 to right there, 482, guys, was the last one here in this one. This one was 79 trades, 71 winners, 4 losers, and 4 still open. And the 4 that are open, or I should say the 5 that are open now, we already took money off of half of them. So altogether, these 2 streaks were 133 total trades, 117 winners, 11 losers, with 5 open trades, guys. It was a hell of a run. Okay, mostly swing short shares, puts, and mostly betting on the downside, guys. When these markets, if you notice, check it out. I mean, I'm gonna talk about a couple of these. I don't care what stock it is, guys. I don't discriminate against anything. I'll take the ROKU, the BAs, the UNH, the SPY, the Amazon, the Dow, McDonald's, SPY, Tesla, Google. This we found in the live session. This one we found in the live session. This one we found in the live session. This one we found in the live session. This one. What other ones? Vive was another one. MKC was another one. Gosh, tons of them, guys. We've been just tearing it up. Goose, we would have never had that one twice. It was epic. Clorox we were looking at, wouldn't have taken that one. CME, AAP, O'Reilly's. I usually look at what's AutoZone, the one that just tears me up. But Twilio again, the Vive, Workday, ILMN, Deere. But this was epic here though, guys. So as the markets, everyone's rejoicing. Let's go to the SPY here, right here on this day. Remember that? The China trade deal, everything was going great. Oh my gosh, the rally's on. Kind of like right here what they're saying here. Oh, the rally's on. This is it. The Fed came in. This was the China trade. Oh man, everything's fixed. What were we doing, guys? Loading up the boat on shorts. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions, guys. All the ones that were looking really good going into resistance. Caught them all. Okay, even on 1130, doing those. All these swing short positions, guys, we're starting to get out of them all. Okay, we get in these things, then we're starting to slowly get out. We bought some calls on a good area here, but as these things were going, as this was coming in, we we're taking all these off. As the markets were coming in, guys, we covered all these, going way even back. All these were high flyers, flying up, 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 up. We just started opening positions up, guys. This was epic. Just as the markets fell, we were just closing them out. Some fell faster, some took a little bit longer, but at the end of the day, they were all done. So as we're covering short positions, guys, now we're starting to buy calls. Now we're starting to come into some support areas down in here. Not so much, pretty much right in here. We're starting to hit support on 1217. And that's pretty much the end. And we'll have the rest of the streak, guys. Come another couple months or so, we'll see how far we can go out. But man, that's what leads us to now. You have all these winners, guys. If you took any of these trades, you pretty much had a good chance you're going to get a winning trade here. My big thing is with money management is so critical right now in markets like this. Just know your risk, know what type of trade you're going to do, know how much you're putting out there, and just make it as simple as possible, guys. When we're buying these calls down here, we're keeping them small. 260, 250, 195. This one we went in a little bit more. This was more of a day trade. But this trade here, we did it one time because it was like, whoa, let's slow down, let's see what we get. And this, these all turned out okay. Nothing, to like, roost off the top of the roof off on, but good though, winners. That's all we're looking for. Even if they do, 30, 40, 50%, some did pretty good. I shouldn't say that, but we're looking for that quick gain and get in and get out. All right, not a huge position, but you put these out here, guys, still making some change. All right, but you start making all these, guys, now as we're coming down into support. On the 17th, we started taking trades right here. Those were those trades. 17th, first hit. Got to take it, kind of chopped, bounced up, took them off, and then they flushed us out, guys. That was it. We had to get out. So as this thing's coming in, we're starting to add more calls here. So we had good support at 247. Started adding them on this day here, a little more, getting a little more risk appetite. And then here, we added a couple, and then here we loaded the house on the 26th. Not load the house, but we took some good positions here. These just, man, we went up, boom, out the door on those. A couple of the other January 18th had a little bit of issues. Most of them got out, still holding the couple, see if we could get a little more of a run. Go from there, guys. That's what we're doing here at StockBookie.com. Just market analysis, looking at technicals, support and resistance. I don't care, long or short. That's pretty much it. Look at these, dear. That was just epic. Those guys, I love it. When trades work out so good, and you put on, what was that, 7 trades, and they all just come in sweet. AMD, no, I did have calls on that one. We took those off. But again, I don't care, guys, long or short. As you notice, we were short though. We've been adding for a while, and look what we got in December. Christmas came for Bookie, let me tell you. So, my gosh, yeah. And even if you have large accounts, guys, go smaller positions. No more than 10% of your total portfolio in any position in shares. If you're doing options, no more than right now probably 1 to 2%. Period. So a $100,000 account, cash only, 10 grand in your biggest share position. If you're doing calls or puts, maybe $1,000, maybe 1,500. If you took a lot of these trades and you had winners, then put some more risk on, guys. That's what I'm doing, and my risk is still tiny. I don't want to lose, but if I can make a quick, a good amount, I should say. It really doesn't matter what I make, but as long as we're making profits, guys, make a quick 1,000, make a quick 2,000. Some guys make 10, some guys make 100,000. I know guys that would make a couple million. So does that matter to me? Nah, not really. There's guys who are making millions out there. Great, good for you guys. I just need to make a decent living, guys, and not be a pig. Just motor along. This is a marathon for me, period. So don't forget to become a subscriber at YouTube. You get the live sessions. Come on by if you like what you see. Sign up, $30 a month, guys. You can see we're clearly killing it. Then we had calls. We got beat up on a couple of the calls, but man, we countered them with a lot of winners. Again, that's the name of the game, guys. We had some losers here too. Right at the end, buying puts. We're trying to buy puts here. I got nothing to hide, guys. All my members see here. But then, bam, 349, guys, massive winning streak. So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, we tried buying puts. A little early, so we kind of calmed down again with the puts. Not going too much, just kind of slowed down. Then at the end of the month, we started doing it a little bit more. Because we're starting to come up in the resistance now to go down. So you're trying to do it, but at the same time, you're adding these swing short calls or swing short with shares. So yeah, guys, I don't have nothing to hide. This is it. This is for all my members. You can scroll through it or whatever. We had about 500 trades, about 100 losers on the year. If the 100 winners counter those 100 losers, we had about 300 winners on the year. Even if you make a 0.25% on each one of these trades because you're taking smaller positions, you still killed it here. Still killed it. Of course you're not taking all these trades, guys, but man, even if you took small positions and got a quarter on even an eighth on each one, you're still making at least 50%. You know, and lower risk, guys. I'll help you with money management. Every time I take risky trades, guys, I tell people high risk trades, guys. Market goes up 500, down 500, up 500, down 500. Can't go big in these markets, guys. Just a little bit at a time. If you catch a good one, even better. But know your risk. That's why, you know, as we're getting towards this end here, and we're trying to buy calls, you know, counter trend when this thing was starting to bomb. Where's those trades? You know, as you notice, I'm not going big with these positions, guys. 119, 195, 247, 260. These aren't big positions. You know, we start adding more, maybe a little bit bigger, but go 1-2 contracts, guys. One if you can't handle pain. If you can't do these, and just at least pick 1 or 2 of them. If I take 8 trades, pick 1 or 2 of them. So, all right, guys, that's going to be it for today. I wanted to share some of these. Just having a great year, ended the year with, on a high note, guys. Took a ton of trades here, 500 trades on the year, give or take. I haven't added it up yet, but we're real close to it, guys. I think we're over it now, but wow, what a 2018. All my members, you guys rock. Become a member, guys. $30 a month. You would have made $30 easily on all these trades, guys. It's almost like a free thing. And then the best part, guys, one day you'll learn technical analysis and you won't need me anymore. So for all you guys who stuck around, you heard that. Most people, I'm sure, just cut this thing halfway through. So and down to earth, guys, I just want to make money in these markets and try to make the right decisions for everyone. So again, calls, puts, short calls, short puts, pretty much anything, guys, to make money in these markets. So all right, thanks for stopping by and watching my videos, guys, and don't forget to become a subscriber at YouTube and watch my live streams. If you like the live streams, come sign up, guys. It's $30 a month. Keep it inexpensive. I just want to get a good group of people, guys, get a couple hundred traders out there, do these private live sessions, and let's try to slay these markets like we did in 2018. All right, guys, thanks again. Really appreciate you watching. Have a great weekend. God bless. See you on the charts.